Hey guys, I'm gonna go through a stock analysis. I've showed this before when I was building my watch list, but I was going through it tonight, and I just thought it would be a good idea to quickly go through it. I've updated it with a few things, so it's a little more in depth. But I figured probably best for me is being new to create a little bit. I believe it's only it's seven keys that I'm looking at, and really the seventh one is just planning out a risk reward plan. I guess risk reward plan for the trade. All right, so the stock that I'm going to be doing right now is ESNC, and it just recently broke above $1. It closed pretty strongly. If you look at the chart, it's a nice hammer. We'll go here to the chart here soon. It's 0.9857, so that's where it closed. I'm going to go take a look at the float. And I don't go through their 10 Qs and their filings and really check to see. I just go to Yahoo and I'll go to the statistics page and just run down and check the float. And I'll just go off of this float here. It just gives me a snapshot. So I'll type this in, 24.79. And I've added to take a look at previous highs, 3, 6, 9, and 12 or 52-week highs. So all I do here is I just run through, grab a 3-month chart, see what the high is. Put 1.05. And if it's recent, I'll actually put the date. So that way I know, hey, it was a couple of days ago that it just made this high. So, and then I'll just get a 6 months, still the high. 9 months, still the high. And 1 year, 52 weeks, and it's still the high. So it's in an uptrend, and it's making 52-week highs. It seems there's one the 12th. It broke the high again on the 26th, and 3 days later it broke again, and it looks like it's still trending upwards to make new highs. But let's go ahead and copy this. Hopefully I can make this video within 10 minutes. And then what I'll do is I'll run the numbers from 1.05 minus 0.9857, and that's the difference of 0.9857. So the high is 6.52 or 6.53. I'll go 6.52%. So the stock needs to gain 6.52% in order for it to match the high. And it needs to go up 6 cents, 6.5 cents. I'll put your 643 because you can buy a stock 4 digits, 4 decimal places far out. So it is relevant that it's 0.0643. Alright, and then I'll just briefly, it's a stock in an uptrend. Well, yes, it is. And this is where I'll break it down. So it's in an uptrend to there. And this uptrend started here. So let me get these studies off. Looked like it was following the 20 SMA as well. And I already have the trend line here. So it's overextended over the trend line. But I'll go ahead and I'll run this as well, because this is when it really started to take off. So even then, it's still running high off of this trend line. So to me, it may be something to watch. It may be running out of steam, so it may start to consolidate, or it may drop off. But it's definitely something I'm going to keep watching, because it obviously keeps making new highs. I haven't checked the news yet. I'll make my next video about how, because I added is there current or pending news. So my next video I'll go through how I look, where I look, and see if we can find any news on this stock. And is the chart overextended? This is definitely a feel, but you can see here it consolidated. So it's really not that extended. I mean, that's the whole month of September. If you look, it's really not. It actually looks like it's, pretty well consolidated. There's a stretch here, consolidated, stretch. It kind of looks like it's starting to roll over. But then again, it closed up near $1. And this is where I'll actually break out my studies and just do a quick chart analysis. And the RSI is 67. So it's in a bullish pattern. Let's see here. Let's remove the studies again. So we'll go no. We'll go recent 52-week high, but closed. We'll put closed near resistance. Recent 52-week high, closed near resistance, but closed strong, because it's got a nice bullish hammer here. Even though it's at the top of this trend, it's still closed. If we look, let's look a little deeper at the intraday. And we'll go 1 day, 1 minute, just to see. It's spotty trades. It doesn't look like it trades all that much. Big buys, big orders every now and then, 20,000. Nice little buy there at the end. It kind of pushed it up. As 3 minutes before market close, it was sitting at 94. All right. We already got that it's near resistance, and its resistance level, we'll put it $1 here. Its support level looks around 92. And then I'll base my risk reward off of the resistance and support. So my entry, I'll go with the, where are we at? It's a 985.7. I don't know how much time I have left here. 1 minute. Look at a 3-day. I'll say 93 entry with a 92. Go with a 93 entry. 90 risk and $1 plus reward. Alright, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.